All right, before we leave you today, I do want to leave you with a couple of final thoughts. Number one, we are engaging in and adopting and implementing some additional safety protocols this year. I do just want to let you know, again, summarize what those are. We're utilizing as much outdoor space as we possibly can this year. Early in the tour, you saw that there's a really nice patio, very large patio here in Raleigh at the Convention Center outdoors. We're going to make use of that as much as we possibly can. That's going to be an outdoor networking area. That's where we're going to host phase one of our wellness check station. And also that's where we're going to host our welcome social on Sunday evening, October the 17th. We want to give you access to as much fresh air opportunities as possible. We owe you that much, and we certainly think that's going to be best, especially this year. Also, we do have the wellness check station in place. Phase one is going to be outside before you ever get into the building. You're going to have to answer some health-related questions, 3 or 4 of them, and that's also where the verification process is going to take place, vaccination verification, etc. So you'll have to do that before you ever get into the building. You'll then proceed to phase 2 of the wellness check station, which will be the wrist-based temperature check and also the banding process to indicate that you've successfully met all the criteria to pass through. And at that point, you'll proceed to the registration and check-in kiosk. At that point, you'll be inside the building. Also, there is a face covering mandate that we're implementing this year. We are going to enforce that. We'll have face masks and face coverings available for you here. So feel free to bring your own, but if not, we will have them here for you, provided by us and by sponsors. Also, we are decreasing and limiting attendance this year. So it's not going to be as congested as it has been in past years. The traffic flow is going to be lower. There's going to be less traffic flow and just overall congestion this year compared to past years of the event. Final thing that we're doing is in our breakout rooms and in our content delivery areas, we are opening them up. We're dropping partition walls to spread the seating out a little bit more to allow for more social distancing. So those are just some of the things we're doing. We are doing some other things. I would encourage you to check those out on our website. There's a menu section called COVID-19 or COVID-19 policy. Everything that we're doing is included there. Finally, I do want to end on this note. I sincerely want to thank you for watching the video and for considering joining us this year. Folks, we know there's a lot of apprehension and a lot of concern this year around COVID. We have it as well. We all have families, we all have kids, so we're feeling it as well. So just know that we are doing everything we can to be as safe as possible, and we really appreciate your consideration of joining us on site. And if not, that's perfectly okay. There's no obligation, obviously, to come on site. That's why we're offering virtual programming this year. So most everything, I think the very large percentage of the overall content that's being featured this year will be live streamed to the virtual platform. So if you don't feel comfortable in any way, join us on the virtual platform. Again, most of the content will be available there. It's free to attend, thanks to our presenting level sponsors. So with that, thank you again. We hope to see you in October. Between now and then, if you have any questions, contact us directly at info@allthingsopen.org. But we'll see you in October and hopefully even before then. Take care. Thanks again.